Today we're going to talk about making a list of the books you recommend. Look at the middle mini lesson where there is a poster that it says at the top, books I recommend. What does my list show? What did I write at the top of the list? It says books I recommend. What does the word recommend mean? If I recommend a book to you, it means that I think you would really like this book and I think you should try reading it. This is a list of books that I recommend. I really like all these books and I think you would like them too. There are many different reasons why you might recommend a book. What are some reasons? Maybe you like animals. Maybe you think it's funny. Maybe you like the pictures. There's many different reasons why you recommend a book. Look at the poster in the middle. What do you notice about how I wrote each book on my list? What information did I write about each book? I wrote the title and the author of each book. Notice how I use capital letters to begin the first, last, and important words in the title for the author's name, and that I underline the book title. What books would you recommend? Find an empty page in your reader's notebook. At the top, write books I recommend. Then write 3 books with their authors that you recommend. Be sure you use capital letters for the title and the name of the author, and underline the title of your books, just like you see on this poster in the middle. Share with your parent or teacher why you recommend these books.